Show you how to start out making a hyperbolic type form, like this form that's roughly around the edges. First of all, you start out making a slip knot, make a loop, take the short end, wrap it around the loop, and put the short end through the bottom part and tighten it up, and that makes a loop, a slip knot. Then we're going to make a chain, which is just wrapping the yarn around from the outside of the hook and pulling it through the loop. So we're going to do about 8 of those. It helps to hold it with your other hand a little bit. That gives you some stability so that you can pull it through more easily. And do it very loosely, don't do it tight, because it makes it too hard for you to stick your needle in the stitch. So I've made about 8 stitches, and then I'm going to form this into a loop by putting my hook through the first stitch and just pulling it through, and then wrapping it around and pulling it through the 2 stitches. Just to make it easy, I am just going to go through 1 stitch, 1 loop, and not underneath 2 loops. So you just stick it into the very next hole, and there's 1 yarn on top here. Pull it, wrap the yarn around, pull it through the hole, and then wrap the yarn around again and pull it through the 2 stitches that are there. Put it through the next hole. I'm just going to make 1 kind of a foundation row with just 1 stitch, just to make it a little bit more sturdy. So do 1 of those in each of the chain stitches that you made. And that'll just be your beginning foundation. When I get around to where I started, I will want to start increasing, and you can do that gradually. You can do it more quickly, but you do the same thing, only you do it maybe twice in each hole rather than just once. So I'm going to start here, and that's 1 single crochet, and then I'll do another one in the very same hole, and that way you're increasing double number of stitches all the way around. You can continue to do that for several rows, and then maybe you'll see that it's starting to curl a little bit. You can continue doing it every row. I think I did that with this one for quite a while, or you can stop doing it and do a single row every once in a while also, so it isn't quite as curly as what the demonstration one that I showed you. So that's basically what we do, and we keep going around and around, and it just gets kind of mesmerizing once you get started. You can almost do it in your sleep once you learn how to do it. You just go and go and go, and it's very relaxing to do it. It's just at first learning how to hold your crocheting and your hook so that it feels kind of easy.